Now we are going to start how to draw a door. In this plan, just go to the door layer, make the door frame, take one line 2 inch, down 1 inch, door thickness, and this side 1 inch, again down 2 inch, this side 3 inch, and join this. Just draw a line, draw one construction line, vertical construction line, offset this line 3 feet this side. Okay, draw one rectangle, this door thickness, and we mirror this. Type MI, select object, first point, second point. No, we don't want to erase the source object. Just move this, put it on this line. Okay, draw the door panel, REC, type REC to here. Okay, now remove these two lines, rotate this panel, type RO, side. Okay, draw one circle C from here up to here. Okay, just type TR, trim this, trim this, trim the extra line, trim this over here. Okay, now your door is ready. Check this, that the door is 3 feet. Make the block, type B, D1, give the name D1, select object, enter, pick point. Okay, now you have to place the door. Just rotate this, move this, click on the center point, put it here. Okay, let's copy this door, bring it here, rotate this, and move, put it in the opening. Okay, this size is 2 feet by kitchen, and toilet door size is 2 feet 6 inch. Just copy this down, scale this door, type SC, enter, specify the base point R 2 feet, type 2 feet 6 inch, enter. Okay, this is door is now scaled. Just rotate this, bring it here, mirror, rotate this one. Put it here. Okay, mirror this. Yes, it is moved. Put it here. Okay, again copy this, and rotate, this side, move this, click here and put it here. Okay, this door size is 4 feet. So again copy this. The scale is SC type SC scale command. Specify the base point and click on reference or type R from this point to this point and give the length. Specify the length 4 feet. Enter. Okay. Let's move this. Put it here. The mirror. Yes. Move again. Put it here. Okay. Now your door is ready. We have to draw the staircase. Offset 10 feet. 10 feet. Specify the thickness 8 inch. Sorry. Offset 6 feet. Set. Specify the thickness 8 inch. And offset again 10 feet. This side. Specify the thickness 8 inch. Okay. Now draw the extra line. Take one line, center. Take one line at the center. Specify the thickness 0.2 inch. Click this side. Click this side. Okay. Now offset this. The thread size is 8 inch. Click on this, type M for multiple. Okay. This is your staircase. Staircase to here. Okay. This is your staircase. Okay, on this also. Type AE. Mirror. Yes. Copy this. Type mirror. Mirror command. Erase the source object. And give the color for this red. Okay. Use mesh property. Type MA. Select this source. Select this. Okay. This is your staircase. Now guys, in the next video we have to learn how to draw window, then grid, and then in the next video we have to learn how to put this furniture layout. Okay. So thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.